In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show all unread emails first in Gmail. If you're like most of us, your inbox can get overwhelmed with messages, making it challenging to prioritize and ensure you're up to speed with the latest emails. By organizing your unread messages to appear at the top, you can stay more organized and respond more efficiently. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple process to adjust your settings and declutter your inbox for a more streamlined email experience. First, let's dive right into your Gmail account on your desktop. Once you're logged into your Gmail, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You're looking for the small cog icon, commonly known as the Settings gear. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to Gmail's full settings page, where you can customize a variety of features according to your workflow preferences. On this page, you'll find multiple tabs such as General, Labels, Inbox, and more. Now, click on the Inbox tab. This section houses various settings that dictate how your inbox is organized. Under the Inbox type area, look for the option labeled Priority Inbox. Selecting this option enables Gmail to automatically sort your emails by priority, with unread emails taking precedence. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your unread emails front and center. You'll notice that when you select Priority Inbox, several new options appear, allowing you to further customize what sections appear in your inbox and how they're prioritized. We need to set the first section to display unread emails. Look specifically for the drop-down labeled Unread, and make sure it's selected. By doing this, you ensure that all your unread emails will show up at the top of your inbox, making them easily accessible for you to manage. Once you've made this selection, make sure to scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that all the preferences you've adjusted are applied to your inbox. When you go back to your inbox, you should now see your unread emails listed at the top, neatly separated from the rest of your messages. This method can significantly enhance your productivity by minimizing the possibility of missing or overlooking crucial unread messages. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip: regularly check your unread emails to prevent them from piling up. Consider setting aside a specific time each day to go through your unread messages. This habitual practice can help maintain an organized and efficient email management system. With this new setup, you're all set to enjoy a more productive and organized Gmail experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.